In our study of sequences, there is one famous sequence that is neither arithmetic nor geometric that we really need to talk about. So we're going to begin this one with a comic strip from Foxtrot, Compliments of Bill Amen, where Jason and his friend are enjoying a little bit of a snack. And you can see they have one cheesy tortilla, then another one, then two, then 3, 5, 8. Then Math Geek should not be allowed anywhere near certain foods, and he asks what's wrong with Fibonaccios, similar to Fibonacci. Then his friend says there's only 12 left. Now what? So where does the problem arise here? Well, they had 1, 1, 2, 3, found here, 1, 1, 2, and 3. Then is 5 and 8. And then 12 caused a problem. So what exactly is the Fibonacci sequence? The Fibonacci sequence is a sequence of numbers that's used in, or that's built through addition, but it's not always adding the same amount. The Fibonacci sequence was developed by a mathematician with the last name of Fibonacci, and he used it to help display or describe things that were being displayed in the world around him. The Fibonacci sequence uses a constant called phi, which is also known as the divine number, because again these things were found in nature. So how do we find the terms of the Fibonacci sequence? The Fibonacci sequence is denoted f sub n, and the way we build it is we have f sub n minus 2 plus f sub n minus 1. And for this, f sub 1 equals 1, and f sub 2 also equals 1. The first item is being eaten by Jason and his friend with the Fibonaccios. So in order to build the Fibonacci sequence, we take the previous two terms of the sequence and add them together to get the next one. Now this is different than other sequences that we've looked at, but it is very valid. When is the Fibonacci sequence used? The Fibonacci sequence, or numbers from it, as I said, describe things in the world around us. The Fibonacci sequence, if you look at a picture of a healthy flower, the number of petals shown in that flower will be a number from the Fibonacci sequence. As you can see from this flower here, it has 5 petals, which from the Fibonacci sequence, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, which is why 12 nachos wasn't going to work. But 5 is a number in the sequence. Or if you have a flower with petals that come in multiple layers, each layer will have a number of petals from the Fibonacci sequence. This flower here has 2 layers, has 3 petals in the upper layer and 3 in the lower. Each of these numbers comes from the Fibonacci sequence. So Fibonacci sequence is very useful, used a lot in nature, just it falls outside of our current study of arithmetic and geometric sequences, but we would be amiss if we did not at least speak about it.